Well, just a month after Harley-Davidson announced its exit from India, it has now decided to write pillion with Hero MotoCorp. Let's do a three-point analysis of the key takeaways of the Hero Harley-Davidson tie-up. 1. What's the deal? Well, Hero MotoCorp has announced a non-equity agreement with Harley-Davidson to sell and to service the motorcycles manufactured by the US company. Now, the Pawan Munjal-led firm, as part of this licensing agreement, will also develop premium motorbikes to be sold under Harley-Davidson brand in India in the coming years. Now, Hero will also sell parts and accessories and even general merchandise, also apparel, riding gear, all of these through a network of brand exclusive Harley-Davidson dealers and also Hero's existing dealership network in the country. Now, Hero will also take over the existing sales and service operations of the American company in India. 2. What does it mean for both the companies? Well, experts say it is a win-win situation for both the players at the current stage. While Harley-Davidson Inc. stands to benefit from the vast manufacturing and distribution might that Hero MotoCorp brings to the table, the Indian company will actually look to leverage Harley's technical know-how to make the higher capacity premium motorbikes, which is still a segment that Hero has not entered into. Over the last 2 years, the American company has been scouting for local partners in India and China to bring their costs of operations and develop cheaper motorbikes to really cater to the local market and the price-sensitive market that these countries have. Both the companies have been negotiating a potential deal to develop mid-size motorcycles in India over the last 2 years as well. Now, there is no extra burden in terms of additional investment for Hero MotoCorp as well. And on the other hand, Hero's brand equity will also increase significantly with Harley being the global iconic brand globally as well. And also probably Hero will be able to display that they are already in partnership with such a global brand as well. So this is also probably going to help Hero in the export business going forward from here. 3. Will Harley-Davidson succeed this way? Well, Harley's India ride so far was quite bumpy at best. After entering India in a motorcycles for mangoes deal between India and the US in 2007, the V-twin behemoth quickly set up dealerships across most urban centers to really cater to the initial demand, which eventually petered out in the face of competition from, say, Triumph Motorcycles of UK, Italian bike maker Ducati, and also the homegrown icon Royal Enfield. Now, most of the global brand manufacturers did not manage to really succeed in the Indian market as it has a limited affordability, and the high import duty also kept their products quite out of the bounds for Indian customers. Now, talking about the tie-up, to be sure that Hero MotoCorp's current lineup of motorcycles tops out at 200cc. The biggest bike it has ever made is the 223cc Charisma. In comparison, Harley-Davidson's smallest motorcycles are Street 500 and Street 750. So both do work in completely different segments. However, we have seen how domestic players are now increasingly getting into partnerships with the global two-wheeler makers. You talk about Bajaj Auto, KTM AG, TVS Motor, BMW, and also Royal Enfield is now going after Harley-Davidson in the US, even as it faces a new challenger now at home. Now, for Harley, Hero MotoCorp is being seen as a dependable partner. It remains to be seen, however, then how the Hero and Harley alliance really shapes up in a hugely crowded arena that the Indian market has now.